Hello guys, welcome to WPCL. Today I want to show you how to set up OTP login with Google Firebase Digit plugin. First you need to install the Digit plugin and active the license code. Then you will search the Firebase console Google. Then scroll down and you will click Firebase console by Google. Then you can see if you have created already before, you need to clear add no create add project, and this is my new Gmail. For that reason I'm getting this type of feature. Just I will click here and write here project name and accept this one, continue and continue, and this one I will accept this one project. This one I need to wait some time, then continue. After doing it, you can see the authorize. Just I'll click authentication. After clicking here, and I get started. Just wait. Then I need to click email and password and enable this one, save it. Again I will back to click on phone and enable this one. I will save this one. After doing it, I need to click on settings to add my domain authentication. Scroll down, authentication authorized domain. I will add my domain name here. Okay, add my domain. After doing it, I need to click settings, so I have the project overview, this one here. Click settings, then I will click on project setting. After clicking here, I scroll down and click on the icon. I will click here. After clicking here, I will write my app name, WPCL app, and keep this one as a default. Sorry, this one. Just register app and next. Just wait. Next, I will click on next, again next. After clicking here, I will scroll down here. Just this is my app name, app ID, and this is my click on configure, and I will copy this one, and we'll go my digit option. Click on digit and SMS. Click here SMS gateway and Firebase. You will select Firebase here and paste it here and save it, and it will work perfectly. Okay, bye, thank you.